What I've learned from chapter 6 in the Restore Your Relationships book titled Tell It to Your Husband. I was challenged by a very blunt wake-up call. The trend of living our lives like a soap opera. We often think that being authentic means sharing every raw emotion the moment we feel it. But I learned that dramatizing our hurts doesn't actually bring people closer. It usually makes them run away. The biggest takeaway for me was the golden rule of communication mentioned in the text. Never talk about anything when there are still emotions tied to it. If we speak while we are hurting, we expose a fragile heart and get re-injured. If we speak while we are angry, we say cruel things we'll regret. The chapter taught me that we need to stop expecting the person who hurt us to be the one who heals us. The Great Physician and the Prayer Closet. The author uses a brilliant analogy. If someone physically attacked you, you wouldn't ask the attacker to sew up your wounds, even if they were a doctor. You wouldn't trust them. Yet, emotionally, we do this all the time. We go to the offender to make it right. I learned that God is the only great physician. He is the only one who can heal the root of the pain. The practical tool I'm taking away from this is the concept of the prayer closet. Whether it's a literal closet, a bathroom stall at work, or a quiet car ride, I've learned that I need a private place to spill my emotions to God first. When we talk it out with people, the wound stays open. When we talk it out with Him, He mends the heart so that by the time we see the other person, the need to argue has often completely vanished. Conclusion: being known by Him. Finally, the chapter shifted my perspective on what it means to know God. It's not just about intellectual belief, it's about intimacy. The word know in the Bible implies being fully exposed and naked before Him. By taking my rawest, ugliest, and most painful emotions to my Heavenly Father instead of my husband or my friends, I am letting Him know me as His bride. My personal commitment moving forward in this. I commit to setting my hurts in private with the Lord first. I want to be the woman who smiles at the future because her heart is already at rest, rather than a woman whose emotions are destroying her relationships. If I can master the silence and the prayer closet, I can find the freedom that only comes from the great physician.
Please visit the links in the description to buy your Restore Your Relationships ebook or paperback.